the people, we're going to be playing some more Minecraft, and I forgot to tell you guys last episode, but I am going to be making these videos a week today's week. So this is oh yeah, okay. So I know you guys can barely see my tools, but let's go get some water. What if I miss this? Guys, been doing this parkour, dude. Yes, parkour. So I'm gonna go. From my base over here. So I'm gonna make some torches so you guys can barely see my house over there. Cause Cause we're gonna do show coordinates, cause that way I don't wanna okay, boom. So if I lost through there, so if I go this way, it will help. So let's go get some wood. So I'm gonna try to search online, basically, so how to make charcoal. How to make charcoal in Minecraft. So, but last video I tried to do this, I didn't search very well, but now I'm back at searching, so I'm gonna try to play this web shield. Hold on one second. Okay, so now how to make charcoal. Image. Oh, okay. So I need the wood plank at the bottom. So I need real wood at the top. Okay. So question is this, but I don't have anything. So let's just go to my house right here. Should be yep. Here it is, right there. So now I want to make a furnace. I'm gonna make a furnace. I'm gonna try to put this. Let's just put the wood at the bottom. Now, so we need a wood plank at the bottom. This. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna try to get some food and stuff. I'm gonna put all away my stuff back because I don't need it anymore. So why not just go mining? Just go mining. Wait, first we need to kill some chickens. But we're gonna try to make another furnace so I can cook some food. Making another furnace. Now we need some coal. Alright. Put it right here. So we need to be waiting. Okay. So wait, I hear piggies. I hear piggies. Wait, that's good. We need piggies. Come on, piggies. Where are you? What the heck? Why is there a zombie? Why is there a zombie not dying? No way. That can't be a glitch. What the heck? What the heck? Bruh. Bruh. Just die in the sun. I mean, seriously though, why is it happening? And that villager is going invisible. Whatever. Let's just try to go ahead and find some food. See piggies right there. Give me some food. But my game is very laggy though. Like, look at this. It's so laggy. Like, if I look around, every day is laggy. Like, seriously, bro. Even my laptop has a virus. Even my laptop has a virus, cause it's gonna have to do that. Try to get some food. Yum. Yum. Okay, we got some food. Ooh, chickens. Chickens. Give me some. Give me these chickens. Alright, I'm sorry, Homo Lava, but you're gonna stay homeless. You're gonna stay homeless, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, no. I don't want to do this, no. Okay, never mind. Never mind then. Okay, never mind. Let's just try to cook some food. So this. So. I'm gonna try to, make this right here. Alright. So now I have a bit of food that we dropped and some meat. And let's try to cook this food. Now we'll try to. Put this. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? Put this right here. Okay, there we go. I'll put the. No. This is so laggy. Okay. Alright. It's so laggy though. Look at this. It's way too laggy. Now, I'm gonna go mining for some things. Come So if you saw that last video that I recently, but last video I played a game called Minecraft. But last video I played a game called Minecraft where I mine stuffs, and yeah, I was just finding some iron that I lost. I'm lost right now because you know why? Because the iron is really hard to find in this playing biome. But you need to find caves and stuff right now. It's really hard to mine the cave and stuff. Well, I might as well. Okay, but we got some coal right here, but that's good. Okay, give me all this. Give me all this stuff. There's coal right here. And I'll make a new series. It's called Super Hot. Super Hot. Or Rocket League, or anything like Hello Neighbor, or some games and stuff. Let's try to. No, oh frick! I need to put this torches right here, right here, right here. Okay, there's zombies everywhere. I'm gonna go for it. Okay. Sneak in. This is scary. Why? I'm dead. Ow. Phew. That was way too close. No. Run. Okay. Perfect. Sleep. Okay. Okay. You saw it there. That was my my second video of Minecraft. So today, and each season, it's like 5 episodes. Yeah, 5 episodes. So I'll see y'all in the next of Super Hot, but especially my control delete.